What if taking a coding course doesn't work for you? I get it. I've bought courses, thought they would solve all my problems, and then when I use them, they don't answer my questions. I have no idea what I'm doing, and it doesn't work. So I'm sure you've been in this position, you bought a course, you thought it would help you learn something, and then when you realize it doesn't, you're really upset because you've wasted your money. I don't want to have that to happen to you. And there are many ways. I know that you have a lot of choices when you're trying to learn how to code, because there are a lot of free options, there are a lot of paid options, and my course is one of many. And the course that I've developed, I've tried to address some of these problems that people have with courses, because I know that people have different learning styles. Some people learn visually, some people learn auditorily, some people learn hands-on. And so there are different things. And that's why when I'm building the larger course that's coming, I want to be able to address all these different learning styles, because, you know, some people can just get it if they're looking at a video, they watch it, they listen, and then they can just do it. But other people need to have more hands-on instruction. And so that's why I've built into the original workshop that there's a hands-on component where I code, you watch me code, and then you do it yourself. Because ultimately the best way to learn how to code is to just start doing it. We see that with learning languages, that you can take a lot of language instruction, but if you don't actually ever try to speak the language with another person who can also speak the language, it's probably unlikely you will ever become fluent. You have to practice, and that's the same with code. You have to practice, you have to do it. So I've tried to build that into my course, and I think the other thing that a lot of courses have is you buy it and that's it. You try to follow it, and if it doesn't work for you, then you're kind of stuck. And maybe you can get it refunded, maybe not. But what I'd like to do in my course, and what I have built into my course, is not just a course, but a community. So that if you have a problem, if you're getting stuck, you have a place where you can ask your questions. I want to be available to you to help you learn. That's what I'm offering to you. Not only a course, but also a community and a place where you can go so that if you have questions, if you're getting stuck, that I can help you, other people in the community can help you to get yourself unstuck. Because that's what we want. We want you to be able to learn this material so that you can be a better web designer. So check out the course today at getdesignerslearncode.com/jumpstart. Presented by Designers Learn Code.